Hey guys, welcome to another video. If you're new here, I call this channel Rika yangu. Today I will show you my affordable rental apartment. I have a one bedroom apartment with a big parlor and all the rest. So let's go on as I show you around. I will start with the bedroom balcony, but before I do that, let me turn the video. Thank you. So this is my bedroom balcony. It is quite large. On the opposite side, as you can see, there is a building construction going on. There used to be a farm, but it says they've decided to make an apartment building there or whatever. I'm not very sure. So here's my balcony. I do sit on this chair when I need some fresh air because I live on the fourth floor, so going down is not always an option. Here is a freezer which I keep out here because I don't have a space for it inside, but it's working. There's nothing wrong with it. It's just that I don't have a space for it, and I will explain why I don't have a space for it. But otherwise, it's just a functioning freezer. There is nothing wrong with it. Also, when you come in, I have here my wardrobe. Here, this is my wardrobe. It's a four-door wardrobe. It's enough for my stuff. And above it is my suitcase, my travel suitcase, and another one. I can put them down in the basement, but my basement is really full. But for sure, I will bring it back to the basement. Right now, I've just not brought it there. I just came back 2 weeks ago, and my husband is supposed to bring it because the basement is really full. So we have to really arrange places to put it. Here is a second wardrobe. This is for my husband. I just wanted two wardrobes because, yeah, just because. Here on the floor is my washing, which I did wash this morning. I've not yet ironed, so I just put them there. There is nothing special. That's just my bed. And here, the black TV is the one we watch in the bedroom. And there is a smaller one, which I don't know what to do with, so I just keep it there. Both of them are working. This was my older one. I'm still to get rid of it, but I didn't get rid of it because sometimes you will find somebody who needs something, and I just find it a shame to just throw it away. Here we do keep nothing really. It's just anything and everything. Here is my iron. As you will realize, I don't have a lot of space, and everything has to be well arranged because otherwise I will not have space for everything. My bed is there, and there is my bedside. I don't know what you call it. I keep my books there, which I read in the night, and my hand cream and whatnot. Here is my bedroom lamp. I don't, I prefer to have standing lamps because when I move out, then I don't have to bring an electrician, because otherwise the up one, if I move, I have to bring the electrician. So I choose not to have a house lamp. I just have standing lamps. Here is my bathroom, which is totally overcrowded with stuff. I have a bad habit of just needing quite a lot of stuff. This side is better, but if you check this side, it is quite crowded, and what can I say? Maybe I'm selfish, because if I check, almost everything here belongs to me, more or less. My husband almost don't have anything here. I have a full bath, which I really like, and because especially in the winter, then I just need a bath, and that's a full size bath. Inside, these are just to stop the bath gets slippery, so I just put these to the stoppers to make it safe for me. Here again, just my bathroom and the items I need. As I said, I need quite a lot of stuff. I don't know why, but I just need a lot of stuff. I cannot be a minimalist, really, really. I cannot be a minimalist. When I get in from the outside door, this is the main door, it's closed. But when I get in, I just put my shoes here, the shoes which I'm using. So I have a pair of flip flops and two sneakers, and the black sneakers and the black flip flops are for my husband. When you enter, here is the a built-in cupboard or a built-in wardrobe. It's big enough. So here we do keep our winter stuff. Those are my husband's winter stuff, and on this side are my winter stuff, because otherwise with the small room you really have to arrange everything so well so that everything works. My table, which is a serious mess, but it's not a mess really. That's just this is just the mat for the mouse and my husband's laptop and the Kleenex. Then we are done. Here is my sofa. It's a corner sofa. It's a four-seater, because nobody will really sit there in the middle where the pillow is. So it is a four-seater, which is just right enough for us. I don't like frilly things in the house, and my walls are really bare. The only thing I have in the wall is that Asian decoration. I have a watch on the wall, and that's that. Here is my wall unit, nothing serious inside. I just keep some for example, I bought this one in Paris. This one was given to me in the when we made my wedding church. And the cup is for my, you call it a cup or a pokal, is for my husband. And the rest is it's really nothing serious. Here I keep my sunglasses so that I can just take the one I want to take. There are three pieces. I can just pick out one when I'm leaving the house. This one here